Industrial enclosures are used in the automotive industry. We supply highly innovative industrial electrical enclosures and IT solutions to the four major process plants of automotive manufacturing. In order to achieve intelligence and automation, the distribution box is not only the center of power distribution and control, but also equipped with various electrical protection devices. There is a solution for every task in automotive construction, from individual cabinets to integrated systems. E-Abel's industrial electrical enclosures and IT solutions.